What are you doing to your sister? Huh? Adia, what's he doing? What do you got? Are you guys sick today, huh? You're feeling much better right now, huh? Did we give you some medicine? Is Ajik trying to climb on you? Let me see if I can come over here and get a better picture of you. Clap, clap. Yeah. Clap, clap. Adric. Good boy. Are you clapping? Did you clap? Well, hello. Hello, babies. What's in your mouth? What's in your mouth? Hi, Adric. Be gentle. Be nice. Take it nice, more. Can you share, Adia? Yeah, you'll share with him. Okay, say bye-bye. Say bye-bye.